Hi everyone! Our Easy Thanksgiving Menu for Two series comes to a close today with this final episode, dessert. This year I'm skipping pies altogether and I'm making an apple crisp instead, which in my opinion it goes very well with all this menu that I put together. It's absolutely exactly what I could ask for in a dessert for a Thanksgiving menu. So let's get started! I've already peeled the apples, so I'm gonna cut them up into 2-inch pieces. The rule of thumb for this recipe is 1 apple per person. I'm doubling the recipe because I don't eat this very often, but I really want to save an extra one for me and my husband the day after Thanksgiving. In a large skillet, melt the butter over medium heat and stir in the brown sugar and cinnamon. Next, add the apples to the skillet. Stir to coat the apples with the butter sugar mixture. Make sure they are well coated. Reduce the heat to low and add some water, lemon juice, and stir occasionally until they are tender and golden for about 10 to 12 minutes. If it's too liquid, you can add a little bit of cornstarch dissolved in water to adjust the consistency, but only if needed. Our apple mixture is done. Next, we're going to prepare the ramekins. Spray the ramekins with oil cooking spray. Next, divide the apple mixture equally between the ramekins and we're going to set them aside. Next, we're going to move to the topping. In a food processor, combine the flour, the oats, brown sugar, the pecans, a nice pinch of salt, and the butter. We're gonna pulse all the ingredients together until the butter is in the size of peas. Done. Just like that. Next, spoon the topping over the filling. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees and bake it until golden and the filling is bubbling, about 15 to 20 minutes. And the apple crisp is done. Check this out. The kitchen smells amazing right now. And I couldn't be happier. Actually, I can be happier. See where I'm going? This is gonna be very rich, but after having a very forgiving Thanksgiving menu like this, I think we can afford a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream on top of our apple crisp. Just like that. Oh. See, it's already melting and it's gonna be even more delicious. And this was our last episode of our Easy Thanksgiving Menu for Two series. Now let's see how they're gonna look all together. And this is how our Easy Thanksgiving Menu for Two looks like. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed this series, and I can tell you that I put a lot of love in preparing these recipes, all this menu for the channel. For you, I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of things to be thankful for, and I'd like to take the opportunity to thank you for subscribing, for your support to our channel. I wish you a wonderful and happy Thanksgiving, and I see you next time, not tomorrow. Bye! Now, I'm gonna enjoy that menu.